Hi everyone, this is Erin from Sandpaper Road, and I'm so happy to be making this video because we have reached 5,000 subscribers on the Sandpaper Road YouTube channel. And as promised, not only is there a giveaway with this milestone, but also it is open internationally. That means worldwide. You can participate in the in this giveaway, and so this is a giveaway worth over $50. Thank you to all of my subscribers. It just means so much. I've really been working hard. I haven't been posting many videos lately because I am getting ready for some amazing things coming up, which you'll find out in more videos. But on to the giveaway. The instructions for the giveaway are found in the description box below, and also there will be some rules in a graphic toward the end of the video. But let me show you what is in this giveaway. First, I have some just cute little embellishments and things. This is all for great scrapbooking, card making, things like that. Just little cut-aparts, punch-outs, little chipboard things, you know, little fold-opens. But they coordinate with this cute little, boy, there's a lot, I guess. Yeah, these are all like little punch outs. And they coordinate with this little tiny cute board book. It's fun to alter, and it's just got, you know, 4 little pages, but so fun to alter, play with. You can add more pages in there, you know, at your leisure with other chipboard or things. Just real nice, fun to play with. And then I'm going to include a full brand new roll of 1/4-inch score tape, and also a brand new unopened embossing powder white. This is the fine powder by Ranger. Brand new unopened, still in the seal. Also, I'm including this completely brand new. This is embellishments, brads, flowers, ribbons, brads, buttons. This is 185 pieces in here. Oh, I'm sorry, the score tape, worth about $5. And the Ranger embossing powder worth about $5. The embellishments worth about $9 retail. I'm also going to include, let me get that out of the way of the glare. I'm also going to include a full 6x6 pack of Always Together paper from Craft a Clock. This is 26 sheets, which include, you can see it's really nice and thick. It includes, let's see, 6x6. You've got 13 different designs, 2 of each. That's fantastic. And then also the full 6x6 pack Lovely Princess paper collection by Craft a Clock. And this is an 18 sheet pack. So you've got, let's see here, the Always Together worth $9 and the Lovely Princess set worth $7. Also, mind you, I tried to coordinate the embellishments so that they would coordinate with your paper. Also, I'm including a brand new, unopened, unused, obviously, Prima Marketing 6x6 embossed chipboard book. Oh my goodness. And a bonus pack of 4 extra square extra chipboard pages that you can add in here, or you can even combine all these chipboard elements together and make yourself a really, really fun surprise, really fun, like little mini album. Fun to play with, fun for spring, fun for the seasons. So let me show you, again, here's a look at what you need to do, the rules for the giveaway, and I'll post that on the screen. You can feel free to take a screenshot. Also, the rules are mentioned down below in the description box. And again, this channel would not be such a success without you, the viewers. I'm just so grateful for each and every one of you. So good luck to all of you. Best of luck in the giveaway. And the winner will be announced on Saturday, April 2nd, 2022. I decided to do it on the 2nd so that you wouldn't think it was an April Fool's Day joke. You can look for the results of who won the giveaway in a YouTube post, and also you can come back to this video and check the description box, and I will post an update in the description box below. So thanks so much for watching, and for all you new subscribers, welcome, and we will see all of you in the next video. Bye-bye.